Good morning. So our new lesson is polygon and quadrilateral. So in this paper, if you see, I have listed them before so that I can save some of the time. You see, basically here we are trying to find out the sum of the interior angle sum. Okay, so polygons, if closed shape has got more than two sides, then they are polygons. If it is a triangle, they have three sides, and how many triangles you can draw inside them is one. All right, and the sum of the interiors will be 180. And again, in quadrilateral, if you go, if you will be having four sides, 1 2 3 4, and you can divide it into through this line into two triangles. So 180 180, and that gives 360. This way again you come to a pentagon is having five sides, so it will have this three triangles inside. So once you multiply by 180 by 3, you get a 540. All right, this way we can go for a hexagon who has six sides, four triangles inside, 1 2 3 4, and total interior angle is 720. And heptagon is something, once you draw a figure who has got seven sides and five triangles could be drawn, and total interior will be 900. For octagon, again, eight sides, six triangle could be drawn, and total interior will be value of the all interior angles will be 1080. For nonagon means there is nine sides and seven triangles could be drawn. 1260 degree will be the interior angles, total sum of the interior angles. Deca means 10, so 10 sides and 8 triangles could be drawn. Let me write it a little nicely. And you can get 1440. However, you can get the interior angles by a formula. That's the say sum of interior angles formula. What is the formula? The formula says if n represents the number of sides of a polygon, then the sum of the interior angles can be found by n minus 2 times 180. Okay, that will give you the sum of the interior angles if you want to find out the total sum. And now if you want to find out the interior angle, I mean the value of one interior angle in a regular polygon, what you should do, a regular polygon is one in which all sides are equal. What regular means all sides has to be equal. There all angles are equal too, since the sides are equal. To find the measure of an interior angle in a regular polygon, use the formula S over 9. You get the angle. All right. Now, what is this S? S represents sum of the interior angles, and N represents the number of sides. Okay. So the total sum of the interior angles, if you divide it by the number of sides, you get the angle. Okay. Okay. So let's go on with some of the problems. Let me do number 2. Okay, find the sum of the interior angles of 21 gon. Gon means side. So how do you do that? We go back to the formula, this formula. All right, so let's say this is 21, so our n is 21. So we say 21 minus, in the formula is 2, and then you multiply it by 180. So how much do you get? You get a 19. Let's multiply with 180. Once you multiply, how much you should go? Let me get my calculator and see how much it is. That should be giving us 36 something. 19 multiplied with 180, that gives 3,420. Okay, so we get 3,420. Okay, so this is the way you can do this number 1 3 and 4. Complete this 1 3 and 4 as your classwork. Okay, this 1 3 4 is your classwork. And then once you come to the exterior angle sum, okay, what is the exterior angle sum? First, let's say what is an exterior angle. exterior angles are always supplementary to their adjacent interior angles. What does it mean? If in this triangle, if you look at it, okay, this is one interior. So once you extend the line, you get the exterior. Okay, so this and this interior and this exterior are supplementary, means they are on a straight line. So once you add up to them, you get 180. Okay, so now we want to find out the what we want to find. We want to find out the sum of exterior angles. Okay, so on the polygon below, find the measure of each exterior angle along with the sum of the exterior angles. So let's try with this one. What happens? We'll be finding out something from here. So since we know they're supplementary, if it is 79, it has to be 101. If it is 40, it has to be 140. If it is 61, it has to be 119. Now if you add 119, 101, and 140, how much do you get? 10, 0, 1, 2. I must have done something wrong. 180, 101, 40. 61. Okay, no. 10, 1, 2, 6, and 3. 360. Now, the sum of the exterior in this triangle, it became 360. So now I want you to all to check out for all these quadrilateral. Okay, check them, get all these exterior, add them. You will see whatever it is, the sum will always be 360 degree. So you can conclude that the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Okay, so that's basically the theorem. Okay, so now based on them, we will be doing some of the sums. Let's say in number 5, it says, what is the measure of each exterior angle of a regular hexagon? Okay, so you know the total is 360. They said each. Okay, so you say 360, and what is the number of sides in hexagon? That is 6. So you say 60. So for this time, once you need to find out the value of each exterior from any polygon, then you say 360 divided by the number of side. N is the number of sides. Okay, so this is the way we do it. So I want you guys to do these 6, 7, and 8 as your classwork. Okay, there will be no homework, only these problems. You'll watch this video and solve these problems. Okay, these problem sheets are there in the classroom and you can get it. So do that. Okay, thank you.